Dawson Heating and Cooling is a real family operation. We're invited into people's homes, take the time to understand the way each household works. Advice is a big part of what we do. Our experts will guide you on all the latest products, comparing a range of energy-saving options. We put ourselves in your shoes to deliver the solution that's right for you. From big to small jobs, we see every project through from start to finish as a team and continue to provide ongoing service and support for years to come. Our heating and cooling technicians are fully trained and qualified, providing customers peace of mind knowing maintenance and service is available 24/7. We only work with leading brands and the highest quality products, including environmentally friendly options that harness renewable energy for sustainable heating and cooling. That's because we believe it's our job to provide comfort all year long. When we leave your home, we leave you with confidence. For us, it's not about great highs and extreme lows, it's about living optimally. We always want our customers to feel just right. Through the warmth and the chill, Dawson Heating and Cooling, the right degree.